So we know inflation is impacting so many parts of our everyday life, and that includes the cost of caring for our pets. And it's a big deal because Americans spend already billions of dollars a year on vet care. Vet services rose by more than 6% from June of last year to June of this year, and that's according to government data that tracks inflation. And recently, Nationwide Insurance announced it will drop 100,000 pet insurance policies over the next year. The company citing rising vet costs as a major reason why. And if you've been to the vet recently, I'm sure you've experienced this. Joining us now is Elizabeth Bradley, a pet insurance and pet health expert with Spot Pet Insurance. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me. Excited to be here and talk with you this morning.
Yeah, I'm really glad to have you too, because we're seeing such a sharp increase in pet care costs, really a high cost in everything. But let's talk about the pet care and what you've seen with these rising prices.
Yeah, I would say it's kind of a twofold issue. Veterinarians make far less money than human doctors and are often in debt from years of education. Also, just like kind of everything else, like you mentioned, prices have gone up due to the rising cost of drugs, vaccines, and other supplies, as well as just the cost of labor. Increased pet ownership has also exceeded the amount of new vets entering the market. So it's just kind of really that supply and demand shortage that's really causing some rises of costs in the pet health industry.
I've had some really high vet bills recently because of a few issues, and one of the things I'm really curious about, maybe you can help answer this, is it worth shopping around, whether it's for the insurance or whether it's for the vet, or are prices just up across the board?
Yeah, I would say in general, prices are up across the board, but when it comes down to it, here at Spot Pet Insurance, we offer up to 90% reimbursement on those eligible vet bills. And if you go to our site, you can find a pet insurance policy that fits your lifestyle and fits your wallet. So when you're kind of looking at things to consider, you can look to see what your needs are as a pet family and make a decision that's best for your family and your wallet.
All right, you said the word that's very important, eligible. Quickly, can you talk about what type of services and procedures does this insurance cover typically?
Yes, so there's a couple different types of plans and that you can select from: an accident, illness, and preventative. So if you go to our website, spotpet.com, you can really look to see at what's covered. We cover everything from kind of that unexpected vet bill to any illnesses, medication, exam fees. So you can really kind of figure out what will be covered. So hopefully when your pet it helps take the kind of worry and angst out of that unexpected vet bill.
Yeah, you got to read the fine print, because I'll get there and then I'll learn this is not covered. All right, let's talk about those nationwide policyholders that were just dropped or maybe dropped soon unexpectedly. What's your message to them as far as what their first step should be?
Yeah, look, it's a really unfortunate situation that happens, and we encourage all pet owners to research other providers and plans that align with their pet needs. Like here at Spot, all we do is pet insurance. We're laser focused on pet healthcare, and we live and breathe pet insurance. So that is the core of our business. So we recommend you go to our website or call center to find plans that can fit your need as a pet family.
We have about 30 seconds left. Can you touch on what you guys have seen at Spot Pet Insurance about the rise in people taking out policies since they're starting to see these vet bills so high, and sometimes you just can't pay for it?
Yeah, I would say definitely. I would say the pet industry and pet insurance industry as a whole has grown tremendously over the last few years, and Spot is the fastest growing pet insurance company in the US, and we're very excited about that and really committed to continue that growth and continue covering pet parents.
All right, Elizabeth Bradley with Spot Pet Insurance. Thanks so much for tapping into just the insurance costs that we've seen and vet care costs that we've seen. Thank you.
Okay, have a great day.
You too. Thank you so much.